Adogen! What's up, everybody? Stoopies Fallway back again with another mukbang, man. And I know it's been a week, but that's how it is for now. But anyway, we're gonna get into this right now. We got some Jamaican style curry chicken right here with some potato, a little bit of gravy. Because I'm on a flat surface, right? So I can't really eat out of a plate or a bowl. Just so you guys can see, we got some corn right here and some sticky white rice. All right, so we're just gonna get right into it. To drink, we got this beautiful tall glass of Nestea iced tea, a little bit of honey and some brown sugar, all right? Loaded with ice. So cheers, y'all. I've been like living on that. I've always loved iced tea. We just got some Louisiana hot sauce. I would eat some pepper sauce, but I gotta work tomorrow, so I don't want to be like, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it 100 with some Louisiana. All right, so let's start, man. Hope everybody's doing all right, man. Had a good weekend. This time just flies, man. Like, this weekends are just like going super fast, but I'm thankful that you know, I got to chill and for the most part do some stuff I wanted to do. Still always getting caught up in other stuff, but it is what it is. Okay, these are mainly little mini drums. So we'll just line them up right here, make a little stack, and then we'll go in on them in a second. I'll load some potatoes though, and this rice will smash it down a little bit. So yeah, curry chicken and potato with some corn and sticky white rice. Damn, I talk today. Yeah, Jamaican style. So let's get into it. Add a little bit of gravy like so. All right, thumbnail time. Perfect. All right, man, so let's get into it. Try some of this rice with the potato right here. A very refreshing taste. You need to spice this bad boy up. Just like that. All right. want to give a huge shout out to my homegirl Twilight, man. I haven't seen her in a while, and I know was reading the comments about maybe about 10 or 15 comments, and for the most part positive ones, and then you got a few weirdo trolls in there as usual, saying some silly shit. But I don't know. I haven't seen from her in a while. I did write you, Twilight. If you see this, you know, you could always message me. Just checking in with you. Don't let these haters get you down. You feel me? My stomach's over here growling, y'all. Straight smasher right now, yo. Whew, that was bomb. I didn't even have no story time or nothing for y'all today, but I do have like some current events info and stuff like that, but I think I'm just gonna take a chill on this video, because when you get excuse me, when you get into information with certain people that are asleep, like it's hard, excuse me, to reach certain people, and I'm not even trying to reach nobody no more. But anyway, with that being said, if you have any questions or anything, or want to go back and touch up on, excuse me, stuff I mentioned in the past, whether it's information on currently what's going on right now, whether it be like CERN, whether it be these funny top hatters, contradictory scriptures on slavery and whatnot, portals, all that good stuff, hit me up, man, so that way I could kind of formulate something and like maybe even take some little notes and highlight some stuff and have it ready for you guys, so we could just go into like a 10, 15, 20 minutes tops excuse me, on a little information thrown out there or whatever. Not no debates or nothing like that. If I do debates, it's going to be me jumping on either Sonetta or Brother Sanchez platform, but I'm kind of just a little bit too busy with other stuff in my life to actually have time for that. But eventually, hopefully within another year and a half or so, I could set up my podcast and then just kind of relax and do what my calling is, and that's to be like, going back and forth on information live, as well as doing this for my YouTube channel too. So looking forward to, after settling in, to have not just my mukbang channel right here, but my gaming channel, which needs to pick up, but also the podcasting situation too. So I'm looking forward to doing that, even though I have all the stuff and I still haven't even messed with it yet. It's just like the time is not permitting. So I don't force Mother Nature. I let her run her course. And when it's due time, it's all to the good. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it right there. You got to get up, get out, get something, do what you got to do for you. Your calling, whatever your gift is, embark on it, do it. Don't let nobody get in your way. Do what you love to do, whether it be, taking care of animals, taking a course in school, driving a forklift, drawing, art, singing, dancing, cooking, whatever it is that you like to do, content creating, do what you got to do, because once you knock down the obstacles and the negative people that are in your way, they'll always have something to say, but they'll get shoved to the wayside because they won't amount to nothing. You got to keep pushing and striving to stay alive and do what you need to do, right? That's how you get the Muhammad Ali's and the Mike Tysons and the Harriet Tubmans and all of these great people. And there's millions that I can name, but but they didn't just get there. It wasn't just an easy task and an easy road for them, right? You always have doubters, you always have negative people, annoying, irritating people that get in your ear, people that doubt you, put you down, but you got to stay firm, stay positive, and focus in your mind. That's why you have to stay strong in your mind. A lot of people don't have that. So now, instead of going back and forth and battling with people, because I know once they say something and my brain registers it, it lets me know exactly where they're at from the beginning, from when they were little up until where they're at now. And then I can calculate to see exactly where they're at knowledge-wise. And the majority, 9 out of 10 of the individuals that I come in contact with in these situations don't know jack shit, They're just followers and stuff. So you can't be on the same wavelength as them. You got to vibrate on a different frequency in order to really make it. Because if you notice, the people that make it have to go through a lot of stuff. So there's a little bit of advice, and that's what I do for myself too. But anyway, I'm going to say salute, man. Have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. It's your boy Snoopy East, always signing off. Until next time, keep it crispy.